Good everybody, my name is OKONTA Samson. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the correct way of installing Eclipse on Linux. So the first step is to go to your favorite search engine and type Eclipse IDE download. You can go to eclipse.org or you go to eclipseide.com. Both of them will give you the desired result. Click on download. This operating system is Linux. So we are installing on Linux. This is if you are installing on Mac. If you are installing on Windows. If you are installing on Linux. We click on download and we allow it to download. You can see it downloading. We just wait for it to complete the download. Okay, the download is almost completed. So we wait for it to finish. So let's see it in the folder. What I will do, so that I will not type so much command, I will just right click and say extract here. Okay. Extract here. Okay, we just allow it to extract. So we have downloaded it. This is the download. We extract it. We extract it to here. It opens the installer. You go to the installer. You click on Eclipse install. Once you click Eclipse inst, you allow it to load and install. I normally like this enterprise, Eclipse IDE Enterprise for Java and web. So we check the latest Java it's using. It's using Java 17, but we can change it to 21 because this is what we have installed on this system. We can check where it's trying to install this. Okay, that is fine. Where it's installing this, okay. Normally, I don't like altering the installation part of most of this software. So we click on install. So first, we ask it to use Java 21. We said use the Eclipse, install it to this part. We say install. We are still installing. We have not started, we are still installing. Please take note of this part, home, Samson, Eclipse, JEE. So let's take note of that part because we are going to go to that part and do some few things. The installation is completed. Let's launch it. Okay. In the case of Eclipse, we don't need to take it to bin, set up the desktop. It's already done by the installation process. That's why I can see it here, because those processes just to bring it here. As usual, it brings us to here, but I will browse and change it to desktop, to my, I'll come to my document and create a folder. And I'll call it Eclipse Projects. Eclipse Projects. so that all the Eclipse program will come here, will launch. This is wonderful. The next thing is that let's just write a simple Java program and we close this tutorial. You just say project, say a normal Java project. So we say is the project name is tutorial. Okay, say finish. So we create our first, we have created the project. In this project, we can write as many programs as we like. Let's create a class. Sometimes you can create a package first. Sometimes you can just create a class. It works the same way. com.btss. This is a package. If you wanted to create a package separately, you say hello. What is fine? Public static void main. Okay, we put here a string starting with capital letter, square bracket, ask. As I normally say, this ask is not compulsory, but that is what 99% of, oh sorry, this should be inside the bracket. So put it inside the bracket, then we save. So we are as good as done. We just say system.out.println, which is belong to the print stream. Just say you quote anytime you are printing is just quote it. Say hello world. That is our usual. I don't know why people print a hello world as the first whatever. Right click and run as Java application. It gives us hello world. We can test again. Hello world Samson. Let's say hello Samson. Yeah. And we can also run it by clicking on this run. Let's click, it's it. See run something, so we are fine. Basically, that is all. We have installed Eclipse on this Linux. This is the same process for Redhat, Fedora, CentOS, Oracle Linux, Unbreakable Linux, Rocky Linux. Of course, this is a Rocky Linux. We have been able to install Eclipse IDE on it and compile our first Java program with it. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for following. I will see you in subsequent tutorials. Thank you.